How many presentations have you sat through at work in the last year alone? Dozens? Hundreds? How many of them were truly memorable and drove action? Most people would say only 2 to 5%. That's demoralizing. The good news is it doesn't have to be this way. Presentations can be made visually appealing, can get to the point quickly, and can drive audiences of all kinds to take the right next steps. That's where the extreme presentation method comes in. Based on the largest interdisciplinary academic study of presentation effectiveness, the extreme presentation method is a 10-step approach to designing influential presentations that drive action. The extreme presentation method helps you account for your audience, the sequential logic and narrative of your story, and the visual design elements of compelling presentations. The flagship workshop teaches the extreme presentation method in an experiential learning format. Participants bring a current or recent presentation to the workshop and learn the 10-step method by applying it to their actual work. So they not only learn the method in an adult learner-centric way, but also leave with actual work completed. One Fortune 50 CEO was tired of seeing 75-plus page quarterly update decks. He sent his team through an extreme presentation workshop, and they transformed their presentation into one single compelling slide. Extreme presentation has been a big hit at some of the most renowned organizations across the globe, including the folks at Microsoft who design PowerPoint, and routinely receives perfect scores from participants across industries. So, if you're tired of endless slide decks and want the presentations in your organization to influence and drive action, contact us to find out more about how the extreme presentation method can work for you. And don't forget to ask about our companion workshop, Delivering Presentations That Influence.